Hi everybody, welcome to Momta's Life Handmade, and today I'm going to share with you tiny DIYs to decorate lemon themed farmhouse decor. I'm going to create a lemon farmhouse themed vignettes. I'm going to create 3 different styles for these vignettes. When it comes to decor, what does the word vignette mean? Vignette is basically a collection of items which belong to a particular theme or just can be put together for a beautiful display. It is called a vignette and it can be on a tray or restricted to a small space. Now, vignettes can be very minimal, containing 2-3 items to begin with, or it can be very extravagant and you can make a multi-tier tray decoration as a vignette as well. So today I'm going to share with you 3 different styles of lemon farmhouse themed vignettes, along with some tiny DIYs that I'll do today and some of my DIY items that I have done in the past. And I'll put links to all the lemon themed DIYs and decor that I've done in the past in my description box, as well as a summer DIY and decor playlist in my description box for you to check them out. So for my first lemon themed vignette, I am going for a pastel, soothing, calm vignette theme. It's going to be in pastel colors with pops of yellow for the lemons here. I just took a jar from my home, preferably one which has a little different shape, cleaned it, cleared all the labels, and it can be used in a different and a variety of ways. I just took a lace. This is a pretty white lace with very feminine intricate pattern on it, and I'm just going to tie it onto the threading portion or the neck portion of the jar or the bottle, and this can be used to hold items such as these straws that I have in beautiful pastel colors of light blues, greens, soft yellows, little whites, and if I put them through in this clear jar, they really add this colors to any specific part of the home. I want to add a coaster here, so I took an old coaster which has lost its charm, and then just some paint and painted into a slice of lemon with bright colors and pastel shades. They look so pretty and it's functional as well. Next I have this beautiful set of 3 bowls, and they are in lovely patterns with teal and soft peach color. So I'm just going to put them one on top of the other. So if I put one on top of the other like this, so it becomes a smaller stack and you see the patterns are not clear. But if I just separate them out like this, the patterns become clear and I can give them a lovely shape. So for this, we need to trick the eye. So I took a piece of bag, anything, fabric or towel, tissues, anything can be placed on the bottom to create this height here. Then I'm placing a different pattern here, a little tilted like this. Then something more goes in here like this and comes in my third one, and I place it like this, and then I can decorate it. And here is my first vignette in pastel colors and shades of white. I have placed all these items over a Lazy Susan tray. It's a single circular tray which can be rotated to get different views or placed on corner or center of the home. Now I have a picture vase, another DIY of mine, and it's holding this white and yellow flowers at the back side. Then I have this stack of bowls here with the teal prints, and they have this beautiful prints, and the cascading style is looking really nice here, and I have added some fresh and real lemon leaves and lemons in it from my garden. At the back side lies this little jar, clear jar with pastel color straws, adding this pop of color here, in front of which I have my coaster with a lemon slice design on it, and over which I have kept my cup in white ceramic. I think this Little decor is very simple and the colors are very harmonious and soothing to the eye and very beautiful, refreshing vignette. My today's video is part of the challenge called Antoinette's Vignettes. This is hosted by Antoinette from the channel Ant's Place and co-hosted by Antoinette from the channel Simple Yet Chic. So I'll put links to both the Antoinette's channels and to their playlist in my description box below. The second vignette is for those people who love to decorate their home in black and white and maybe add the touch of seasonal color to them. I can't resist sharing this sign with you. I made this sign maybe last year or last to last year. I'll put a link in my description box below, and it says, when life gives you lemons, make something sweet. So appropriate, and it's the kind of attitude one needs to have. And I just looked for this printout from internet and made the rest of the sign in very easy steps. I've shared it well in the video and it will be linked below in the description box. I wanted some tags or fillers, so I took a yellow cardstock paper and using a black ink pen, I just sketched a lemon, a whole lemon over it, and shaded it with black, added a leaf to it, and I just colored the leaf with green color pen and then cut it out, leaving a thin rim of yellow outside so that the black outline of the lemons is clearly seen. Now this can be used as pillars anywhere on the tray or the decor area. One can make garlands out of it or banners out of it, or add them anywhere in the little nooks and corners of the tray decor. I just added a string to one of them and it can become a little tag. Now here is my vignette in the striking black and white with touches of yellow and a little bit of green. At the back side is my beautiful sign with the beautiful saying, when life gives you lemon, make something sweet. It is so appropriate and has all the colors which are of this theme in black and white, yellow and touches of green. I brought out my black mugs which have green and yellow insides, and in the yellow inside cup I added some false miniature lemons and some real lemon leaves and made a little foliage or a greenery kind of thing, and I have added it to the mug. I have added lemons and lemon leaves here and there, and here is my miniature crate with lemons inside it, another DIY, and it says farm fresh. I'll put link to both this miniature lemon decor DIYs in my description box. At the back side of my little crate is a little cake stand or pedestal tray. Basically, I took a yellow mug and on top of it I added a black saucer or black plate, and it became my yellow and black cake stand or cookie stand or pedestal tray, over which I added green lemon leaves and fresh lemons. All this decor sits over my Melmoware tray in lemon print. It has the words lemon written on it, has this bright yellow color with lemon prints on it. I placed it such that the wordings are at the back and the lemon prominent prints are seen on the front, and it gives a good contrast to the black that I have on this tray. So I have this beautiful black and white with seasonal color touch. If you are an old friend, a warm welcome, and if you are a new friend, please look around. And if you like the content of my channel, which is more to do with lots of DIYs and crafts related to home within budget, if you like such content, please consider subscribing with the notification bell on. I really appreciate your support. Are you someone who loves bright pops of yellow? Then this vignette, the third vignette, is for you. Here I just pulled out some of the yellows and in my home and just arranged them on a white tray. So I'm using my false marble footed tray as the base because it will give, the white will give the contrast, and then I used something to raise the vase to give it a little height, and I used this microwave safe tumbler as a vase here and added some white and green flowers here. So white flowers here, otherwise it will attract, the yellow ones will attract more attention. It's the white because I need the lemons to get the more attention, so I used white flowers here. Then I brought out my juicer and then added a lemon tag on the back side of it. Then I have this moon shaped platter here, and I've just added two lime leaves at the back to give it that beautiful look. And here is my yellow mug cup, and I just added a yellow teaspoon to it and some leaves here, a little something to hold maybe sugar or tea, and with a green, lemon green color lid and another lemon tag that I made here against the lemon leaves. And this is a 2-compartment Melmoware tray. Isn't this a very beautiful shape? And I added some fake and real lemons with some leaves here, and this gives this corner a bright, cheerful, lemon fresh look here. I hope you liked my today's mini DIYs and 3 styles of vignette decoration in lemon farmhouse theme. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, share my channel link, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll see you soon with the DIY video. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you so much.